Hello everybody, this is Nar from Best RV. I'm gonna show you today the most luxurious toy hauler from Keystone RV. It is a transformer. No, it's not a transformer. It is a brand new Keystone RV Fuzion 442 full body paint with the sand color. Let's do this. Let's start from outside and then we're gonna go inside. Follow me. As you see, this has the sand full body paints. So this is a paint. This is not a decal. This is a full body paint sand color, and it's a matte with this kind of nice decals and the front cap. But what catch my eyes is the front nose. When I look at it, I see a transformer talking to me, and all this white, cap. There's a light inside. It's very hard to see because it's sun hit it, but if at night, it's really nice. You see transformer talking to you. Now, Fuzion, they changed completely. I'll be honest with you. They changed completely between 26 and 25. They went to the more step in the toy haulers. Number one, they changed the front cap. Number two, they went to armless awnings. So all these four awnings, there's no hardware whatsoever. It's made by Gerard. They went to a square window with a foil reflection inside. So if you look at the window, you see the foil reflection, so it takes the heat out. They went also to a big panorama window. Those windows, they come from the ceiling all the way to the floor. They come also with a 50-inch smart TV. Now, no one is going to catch this unless if you are at night. Look, this beautiful blue LED light underneath. Nobody noticed, but that's come with it on the 2026. Now, by looking at the axles, I could tell this axle has ABS electric brakes. You see from the red caliber. Number two, it has the more right suspension, the equalizer. Number three, it has shocks behind the axle. So if the cameraman go in an angle way behind the tires and the axle, you will see the springs and the shocks they added for the 2026. So they change it up completely from the ground all the way up, from the axle, from the suspensions, windows, paint, fiberglass, gel coated, air compressor. I forgot to mention there's an air compressor over here. It's right there, included. 2-gallon, 0.3, 125 horsepower. And then this is the hose for it, and it go plug right here. So there's air compressor come with it. So, and then the ram door. The ram door is electric. This is not a manual ram door. A fourth power awning in the back, a floodlight. Now this unit come already with multiple cameras. There's camera on the rear, as you see right there with the antenna. And then there's a camera in the garage. When we go to the garage, I'll show it to you. Fuel station, you have 2 fuel tank, one unleaded for the generator, and one you could put diesel, you could put whatever you want, high octane for your toys. The power cord is electric, not a manual. You don't have to carry it. I love the blue light. Here's in the shed, you could see the light how lit up underneath. So in case if you go to the dunes, you could see this lit up from the top, lit up from the bottom, from front, you name it. Coming down over here, I love the square windows black with the Fuzion Wars and the floodlights. And again, who come up with this paint scheme is, I don't want to say it, it's damn good. And then you over here, you have a place for more storage on the side underneath the kitchen, one docking station. Another advantage when they went to the high end, all the valves, they are electric valves. So you close all these valves by hitting the switch. So now the gray, black. It has 5 tanks, 1 fresh, 2 gray, 2 black. Another full storage. And one thing is nice about this storage is one flush floor, diamond plated, in command system, 2000 watt inverter, lithium battery, you name it. Again, this one you just, and then I like the The controller for the auto leveling is outside, not inside the cabin, so you could see things when you do the auto leveling. This is the nice, beautiful docking station for my transformer. And then you could see over here the 2000 watt inverter right there, all the powers, all the hookup. As well, you have the location for the batteries underneath. And then you have the power flex. Here, let me just open that. And then you have the power flex 5500 watt generator will run everything. Folks, I mean, I'm really anxious to see the new floor plan. It's the 442 with the sand full body paint. This is the toppest of the line. There's nothing to add. I don't know what you customer want to add to this unit. It has the 440 watt solar panel on the roof, 220s. It has the 2000 watt inverter. It has the 55 generators. Has 4 TVs, bedroom, living room, garage, outside, 4 power awning, patio system, 3 season doors, air compressors. It has all. I mean, you could not believe. So what I want you, because I don't want to talk too much and take the good about this video, let's go inside and check the brand new Fuzion 442. As we said, they did a lot of changes on this unit. Number one, they changed the furniture. So if you look at the furnitures, it is like a nice racing high-end furnitures on the unit. The coloring of the wood, not a oak, not a walnut, in between, and so modern with the beige and the gray and the black. This unit, why I really liking it, because it's sectional fifth wheel. What do you mean by now sectional fifth wheel? Let me explain to you. This one has a section. This is like you walk in a house, you have a full living room, separate. So this is a separate living room. You have a section where the cameraman standing for kitchen and refrigerator. Then the third section is the bathroom. Then the fourth section is the master bedroom. You need to realize 442 people, they loving it for 3 seating area. So you could have people rather than the traditional toy hauler before, just one set of sofas. Now you have a 3 seating area. You have a hide-a-bed sofa facing the people sitting on the dinette, facing also the people on the 2 theater seating. Those 2 theater seating, where's my water? This is electric theater seating. Thomas Paine by Lippert. It's very super nice because all you have to do, push a switch. But again, I'm not plugged in 110 because these are 110 theater seating. This is a pure hide-a-bed sofa. So this is turned to a bed and sleep 2 people. And then you have across from it, you have the table and 2 chairs, but nobody noticing what I like this person. So I want to take this video with this window open just to show you how bright and how big the nice view. Look how beautiful the view. So it's like I'm sitting outside. I'm bringing the outside to inside. It's very roomy. You have 2 big panorama window behind the. And again, they have the foil in the back. So look how bright it is. I mean, I have to close them because it's too bright. But to give you the idea, just to give you panorama windows on this side of the slide out. And this open, plus the other open. This one does not open. This is just panorama window to give you more view. But let me close it just because it's easier when I do the video with this. Is closed. Then the dining table extend, as you notice. There's extensions, and then there's a latch. Just make sure you take the latch off. There's a latch here. Okay, now, so I could seat more people on it. Typical, beautiful dining. I like the glaze color on that walnut. Again, you snap it. There's 110 plug right there, so in case if you have a laptop, you want to access anything, there's 110. Entertainment center, speak for itself, 50-inch smart TV on a swing bracket, sound bar. Now a lot of manufacturers, they go into the high-end sound bars with a modern fireplace. So we done this section. This is, I could do my dance. I could do my dance in this living area. Why? Because it's so roomy. We're not bumping against each other. Also, if me cooking for my wife, sometimes I do that. Look how big the sink. Nice country sink with a high-rise faucet, and you have a nice window in the kitchen you could look up through. Solid wood. It's not a paper. I mean, again, I'm not going to open all these cabinets, but they're a nice kitchen cabinet with a crown molding in the top. And then you have convection microwave, so you have 2 ovens. This is the 3.7 cubic foot freestanding gas range for RVs. You could hold a turkey, no question asked. This is electric convection microwave, as well electric microwave. 4 burner range. More storage. I love this one. You open it, woo, dust all the dirt. So it has the dust bust, and it has central vac over here. Now look how beautiful this solid surface countertop. This is a pure solid. Look how thick. Please, the cameraman, if he show you the thickness, this is not a plastic. This is a solid backsplash. It's like a Korean materials. As well, this perfect for serving foods, or you could make like a nice buffet. People, they could grab their food and go there, sit and either munch it with a drink and watch the game. Even me in the kitchen, I could watch the game. People in theater could watch the game, dine it. So everybody could see this big TV with no problem. We supported with a place for cameras, not cameras. Let me explain that to you. This unit comes with a 2.5 camera screen because it has, nobody believed me, it has 4 cameras. 1 in the back, 1 in the garage so you could see your toys, 1 on the driver's side, 1 on the passenger side, so you could have a beautiful screen while you're driving, watching your expensive toy, as well watching the surrounded area of unit. And by the way, it comes with it. A lot of places here. There's a big place for trash can. Matter of fact, 2 trash can. And let me show them this. So this is the outside sprayer. We talk about it in the docking station where you spray your hot and cold. It comes with the TST monitoring for your tires. Come with that screen, and come with the unit. Back to the kitchen, you could see all this 2 trash can, not just 1. Plenty room for cleaning materials, cooking pan. Look how big that cabinet for silverware. Tinsel doors that are all latch solid. Tinsel doors. And all this is solid wood. Now, you tell me, lady, where's my pantry? Give me a second. Let me show you where's your pantry, because we have a big pantry over here for you. So this is, look how beautiful solid wood. A pantry, 5 shelves. Actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plenty. From a storage counter space, this is speak for itself. Then we have here nice 20 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerators. No issue because I have 440 watt solar with a 2000 watt inverter. And then you have a beautiful ice maker and 2 doors for the freezer. So this is the biggest fridge you could get on RVs, 20 cubic foot reefer by Fuzion. Now, let's go to the garage or go to the master bedroom, whatever you want. I could start with the master bedroom, then we finish it in the garage. Let's go. So as you see, I have the nice king size bedroom with a big, nice headboard in the back. 2 stations for CP machines. This is inverter outlet, so this plug I could run the inverter and I get 110 off the batteries. As well, here's you have a nice 110. So there's inverter outlet, there's 110 outlet, there's USB plugs, so no worries. 2 windows. This is with a nice reading light. 2 windows open, facing a 32-inch smart TV, and then this. Ladies, I love this. I'm jealous. I don't have this. This is already set up for your jewelries, for your makeup. Perfect. So grab whatever you want to put it in your on you and enjoy camping or glamping, not a camping, glamping. This is the glamping. Beautiful doors for socks, underwears, and then this door is open. And by the way, they're gonna ask me a question. Does come with additional 2 doors? No, 2 chairs. Yes, it's right here. They're actually underneath the bed. You get beautiful 2 open chairs, so you could sit 4 people around the dinette. Now, isn't it beautiful here? It come with a nice finish closets. I really like the closet for 2 reasons. First, I could use a combo and I still hanging clothes. Or if I use this one, if I remove it, then I put a stackable washer and dryer, and then I don't lose the shelf. If you don't want to use, you don't want to put no washer dryers, voila, clothes, hang clothes, you name it. A lot of storage. Over here's big closet with a nice LED light and support with a mirror. Let's go to the bathroom. Now this unit, the 442, has 2 bathrooms. 1 bathroom, the major bathroom here, the big with a shower, and this is 1 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I love this. Sit, take a showers, and go do your business. Nice Keystone mirror with LED light, beautiful coloring of the gray with the silver and the white, and I love this. Do you see this, guys? Dovetail doors. I mean, you don't have to yell and screaming for the kids or the wife, where's my towels? Put all these towels here, it's perfect for you when you go to shower, grab it, use it, and have fun. Nice porcelain toilet with a pocket door, and there's doors. Ooh, nice lotions. Facial moisturizer lotions. Wow. And more storage, more storage. Now, let's go down to the garage. Now, the Fuzion 442, we talk about it. It has 2 bathrooms. There's a bathroom in the front, and then there's a bathroom in the back. And the size of the garage, we're gonna tell you right now. So you could see I'm inside the 2nd bathroom, toilet, medicine cabinet, and nice sink with the closets, very roomy, no issue for this. And then you have a solid shower. Now this unit has a almost 14-foot garage. So this is a 14-foot garage toy hauler on the 442. Now in the bed, it comes with electric bed, and I love these sofas. Guys, this is better than any normal toy hauler. I love this one. They're so comfy. It has the name Fuzion here. Nice wood cups with the stainless steel, the word Keystone. I mean, they did it right. Now, if you look at the floor, it has the 5000D rings, and they are welded to the frame. They're part of the frame, they're not screwed in the floor. You have a loft in the top. If you look on the loft, with the storage door and a TV. And then you have also a backup camera. So this camera, we told you, this unit comes with 4 cameras. So there's 1 camera in the garage, so when you are driving, you could see your expensive toy. Some of them, some 4-seaters or 2-seaters, like 50,000, 60,000 by the time they put all the extra stuff. Extra 4 windows with open with a door, 3-season door with a power awning, a patio system, you could walk through it. So this is the Fuzion 442. I don't know what to say. All I could say, just get in your truck, come grab it from MSRP, because we got you a price no one could match. We're so aggressive. We got super deal, and we pass all the saving to you with no any hidden fees. Coming in.